Hey, my name is Thomas, I'm founder of NerdCow, and today I'd like to talk to you about a simple thing that many people miss when they build a website. Ikea effect, okay? And the question to ask is why the traditional approach to web design and development fails you and your business, and why it doesn't really work in the long term. So stick around if you want to hear more and learn more, and let's jump into it. So, you know when kids don't like to eat veggies, right? So they usually turn around when they see broccoli on the plate, or they at least put it aside. And the reason why they don't like it is that they haven't prepared it. And it's more likely that they will actually enjoy the broccoli if they cook it with you. Hopefully not alone, please. Right? So it really is what we call the IKEA effect. So when you actually take part in the process of making something, producing something, you are more likely to like it, enjoy it, and be happy about it. So just like the kids with the broccoli, you should be part of a website building process, because that will make you happy and that will make you like the website more, and you will know throughout what's going to happen, how it's going to look, and you get to give input on the spot to shape your future website. Does that make sense? Does it make sense? If you've been watching our YouTube channel for a while or followed our social media, right? Yeah. Then you will know that the traditional approach, which we call waterfall method, is, just to recap quickly, it's where you build a website in subsequent steps. One can't proceed further unless the preceding step has been completed, delivered. And it just causes lots of delays and hiccups down the road. So on that note, the traditional approach to building website keeps you disconnected. You really don't know what's going on. And you might say, but Thomas, it depends on an agency, right? I mean, an agency can keep you in the loop. Yes, they can, but they won't. And that's because it causes delays. On the other hand, if you go with an agile approach, with our approach, you will be part of the process all the time. Like literally, we meet sometimes daily, sometimes on a weekly basis, and we catch up, we talk, we discuss, we plan together all the time. So just to go into nitty-gritty of all of it, if you follow the agile approach, our approach to building websites with the workshops, design sprint at the beginning, and the production in an agile way, you will find that there are many less hiccups, much less friction, there are no delays, it's an enjoyable experience, it's the best value for your money. Everybody that's involved in the process, in the project, will have an opportunity to contribute to that project, meaning that we align everyone's vision and we build a creation that is exactly spot on and that benefits your company in the long run. And while I appreciate you might be super eager to jump the gun, go ahead with the development with whoever offers you a traditional approach, it's really worth the wait. Trust me, we've built so many websites for so many clients, and the result is always the same: thumbs up. So if you're interested in learning more about how we do it, what is a workshop, what are the exercises, how it actually looks in the trenches, please make sure to stick around. You can follow our YouTube channel, you can find us on social media, you can even talk to us. We don't bite, So feel free to drop us a line anywhere you like, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.